Hello, Namaskar, and good morning to everyone. Welcome to the day 5 of 17th World Education Summit, Higher Education 2020. It's a showstopper day for us, and I would like to introduce our esteemed panelist for this session. Actually, Talat Parvez Rohilla, Secretary, Department of Higher Education, Jammu and Kashmir. Session has been postponed, and we will update you soon. So we have our senior correspondent, Mr. Harshal Desai from Relax Techno Media Private Limited. Welcome, Harshal sir. Welcome to the 17th World Education Summit.
Hello,
And
Abhishek. Thank you so much.
and we have Ms. Pooja Banerjee, Assistant Editor from Relax Techno Media Private Limited. Welcome, Pooja, for this exclusive
Hello.
session on the Panacea.
Thank you.
So I request Harshal sir and Pooja ma'am, to introduce of Panacea, the initiative that has taken by the Let's Techno Media, and how we can proceed for the education domain, and how our audience that have joined from the higher education, we have VCs, directors, dean, HODs, professors, and from the school segment as well. So how this Panacea can help them, educators, and the leading the lifelong learning from this Panacea. Over to you, Harshal and Pooja. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. At the outset, I'd like to congratulate the entire digital learning team at Elit's Technomedia Private Limited for successfully organizing a World Education Summit. We are very glad to mention that this is the 17th edition of World Education Summit, and the education vertical at Elit's Technomedia Private Limited is undoubtedly one of the strongest segment where we organize a number of conferences, not just in India, but across the world. I congratulate all the participants who have taken time out from their busy schedule in participating World Education Summits in this 17th edition. And I congratulate all the partners also who are supporting this uh, amazing initiative, which has been conceptualized by Digital Learning Magazine and Elit's Technomedia Private Limited. In today's session, we have come on the screen for a very interesting information and update to everyone who is watching us live right now. Uh, this initiative is called Panacea. Elite Sector Media Private Limited, as you know, besides digital learning, e-health is another vertical where we publish a monthly magazine and we run a, a portal which involves updates, information, news, views, opinion, article from the entire healthcare ecosystem from across the country in the magazine and also on the portal. eHealth magazine and Viatris, which is one of the leading pharmaceutical organization in the world, have conceptualized a great initiative called Panacea. I'll take 2 minutes to brief you on the background of Panacea. We all know that the entire world right now is going through a major pandemic, COVID-19. It has been about 10 or 11 months since the first case was reported in the world. COVID-19 is one of the
I think Harshal's net connection is so. Good morning, everyone. As I think Harshal's connection is
I'm sorry for the bad
problem. Okay, no problem. Yeah,
I'm sorry for the bad internet. So I was telling all the audience that we all know how COVID-19 has affected humanity and how it has shaken the economy across the world. Everyone in every country, in every state, in every city are suffering from this disease, and this is one of indeed this is one of the major uh, 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 pandemic that has affected us all across the world. Now, the good thing is that the recovery rate from pandemic from COVID-19 has also increased in India, and it has increased across the world also. People are recovering from COVID-19. However, a large number of people who are recovering from COVID-19 are still not able to cope up with the after effect of the disease. They are not able to cope up with the effects, the side effects of the disease. Many patients who do not even have any kind of symptoms also after you know found negative after testing negative from this disease after some time, we have seen, and there are reports available in public domain which suggest that it is it is affecting the people, even after testing negative. There is a word also, long COVID. If you search on Google, you will learn about it, how this disease is affecting the people even after getting recovered from the same. So now this is when we conceptualize the initiative called Panacea. All these people who have recovered from the disease but not able to cope up with the after effect of the disease, they need special kind of attention. They need special kind of care so that they can in the long run also they can recover from the disease, and they can handle the side effects or the after effects of COVID-19. This is when we conceptualize Panacea. And this all happened with a great support from the organization called Viatris. Viatris and eHealth magazine together, they came together and they conceptualized Panacea. What we are doing in this program in Panacea. So we are very glad to inform you all that Panacea is a 6 month long campaign. Every Sunday under this program, we are bringing renowned specialist experts from different domains on a virtual platform to deliver talk, deliver talks on different subjects. So yoga, nutrition, mental health, cardiology, neurology. These are some of the subjects we are conducting online sessions on, and we are tying up with the experts across the country. So this is a very great opportunity where people, without stepping out of their home, they can, from the comfort of their home, they can log into the website, they can visit our Facebook page, and they can make the best of this opportunity, especially those who are living in rural areas. We all know there are reasons why these experts are not easily available in rural areas, right? So, uh, population who are in rural areas, people who are residing in rural areas, they have a very great opportunity where they can make the most of this opportunity. They can talk to these experts. They can have a session with them. They can communicate with them, and they can listen to them for hours online on our website on all these subjects which I just mentioned to you. This is about Panacea. For every on every Sunday for 6 months, there's a proper schedule that we have uploaded on our website. Our website is panacea.ulexonline.com. I encourage everyone to visit this website, check the schedule, check the name of the experts who are there, and understand how this program is going to benefit you all. So every Sunday for 6 months, all these experts will be coming live on our website. The most important thing is that these programs are completely free for for people. Anyone from anywhere can attend this program for free. They don't need to pay even a single penny to register for the same. This is the beauty of this program. And uh, I mentioned about Beatrice, and also like to mention about few other organizations who are supporting us, which are supporting us in this initiative. One of them is Narayana Health. We all know Narayana Health is one of the major conglomerate in the country in healthcare domain. They are supporting us in this initiative. We just had experts from Narayana Health address the audience this Sunday on one of the subject. And besides Narayana Health, Vimhans Nayati is another hospital that is supporting us. We also have support from government, and Uttar Pradesh Ayush Society has supported us in this initiative also. They are also guiding us, they are supporting us, they are encouraging us in this campaign. Now, We have, I'm happy to introduce my colleague Pooja Banerjee also. She is the one who is uh, leading this program, and she is the one who has made it possible for Elite Sector Media Private Limited to invite a number of experts from different domain on this platform. I would request Pooja to, before I request Pooja to, talk about the kind of experts that we have on our, who have associated with us. I like to uh, mention one more thing, that all these sessions which are happening live, and I must tell you that the Sunday, all these previous Sundays that when we organize this session, we are happy to, about more than 10,000 people were live on our show. They were live on our show, and within hours we had received more than 25,000 views on these videos, which were kept, which are hosted on our website, and which were circulated through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms. This is a really great thing because people are supporting this also. We are happy that what we started is actually benefiting the people, and people are actually interested in, they are coming, they are not just coming live, but they are accessing the videos after the live session are over, right? Now I'll request Pooja Banerjee. Pooja Banerjee is assistant editor at Electrical Media Private Limited at eHealth Magazine. I'll request her to brief our audience on the expert, and then I will request how we can associate it with different educational institutes also, higher and technical institutes also, schools also in this program. Over to you, Pooja. I request you, Pooja, if you can brief our audience on the experts who have agreed to come live on our website, and who have agreed to help the society under this program called Panacea.
Thank you, Harshalji. I would like to tell that we began our sessions on 12th of November, and we just completed our November sessions for all the 3 Sundays, and we had amazing experts from yoga, for nutrition, for mental health counseling, and along with that, we had cardiology and pulmonology sessions also, where doctors from Vimans and Narayana Health also, participated, and they gave us great insights on how to deal with the post-COVID syndromes which everybody is facing now. And we had yoga experts like Meher Munjar. She conducted yoga sessions, and you can see it on the website itself on panacea.eletsonline.com. And along with that, we had Shohini Roy Chaudhary also. She conducted yoga sessions, and Shuruchi Shah, she was a psychologist. So we had live questions. We got to She got to answer all the live questions along with the when she was conducting the sessions. And I would like to tell about next Sunday, that is on the 6th of December, from 7:30 to 8:30. We'll be having Mr. Yuvraj Sharma. He's an certified yoga trainer who will be conducting an amazing session. And along with him, we'll be having Mr. Namit Tyagi. He is a clinical nutritionist who is also associated with he's the co-founder for New Herbs, and he'll be conducting a session on nutrition, how to keep a balanced diet, which is very important right now, for not only for post-COVID patients. It is very important for everybody who is suffering from this pandemic right now, be it COVID, be it non-COVID, also till now. So we are having these 2 sessions on Sunday, and I would request everybody, and especially we'll have all the expert universities and all, and along with them the students. I would request everybody to join the sessions, and go to the website, and all the details are available over there. And if there is any queries, there are numbers. You can message or contact us, and we'll be answering. We'll be happy to answer everybody.
Thank you, Pooja, for the update. So, audience, if you search about these experts online, you will come to understand, you will come to know that these are really, some of the nominated people, and they are the master of their fields. And this is really a great opportunity for everyone. So Panacea is, it is certainly a first of its kind opportunity which allow people to attend the lectures and modules and sessions, uh, helping to boost immunity, mental strength, and ensure good diet, bringing back their lives on the track with joy and happiness. So this is indeed an opportunity where all these sessions, all these virtual sessions on yoga, depression, anxiety, stress management, nutrition, mental health, they can help you overcome the post COVID-19 anxiety, fear, and mental trauma and stress. There are special sessions also by renowned pulmonologists, neurologists, cardiologists, and endocrinologists. And please note that all these experts are from the top hospitals of the country. So I would once again, without taking much time, once again I would like to request everyone to please visit our website, understand about the program more, get in touch with us if you have any query, and please make the most of this opportunity which has been conceptualized by eHealth Magazine and Viatris. Uh, we, in the World Education Summit, we also in the exhibition area, I'll encourage everyone to please visit the exhibition area also. We have a booth there of Panacea. You can please download the brochure, you can watch videos there. If you have any query, you can please ask us. At the booth also, you can ask us, or you can simply mail us and we'll get back to you. We have a number of esteemed higher and technical education institutes and colleges and universities participating in World Education Summit in this 17th edition. I would encourage all the esteemed heads of these society, these institutes, and these universities also to support this initiative. They can also be part of this initiative and provide these value-added services to their students across the country. So, with this, we'd like to close this session formally here. This session was mainly to brief everyone to participate, to understand more about Panacea, and not just the people who are suffering from COVID, not just the people who have recovered from COVID, not just the people who are in isolation due to COVID, but generally all the people, all of us can attend these sessions. Anybody who is having some kind of health issues can attend this session. Students can attend these sessions. Faculties can attend all these sessions. And all these sessions are absolutely free for everyone to attend. You simply need to log into our website, get yourself enrolled and registered for this 6 month long campaign, and you are on. I mean, you can start taking the benefit of all these things virtually, online, from the comfort of your home. So with this, we'd like to close this session here formally. I once again congratulate everyone who has participated in World Education Summit. Please do visit the expo area and make the most of the opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.